should be good.
Alright, we're good?
What's up, guys? What's up, guys? It's John and Alan from Iffy Media. We just got together and made this great idea for a new video.
So we went out at a park yesterday, chasing the light that was leaving us at like 4:30. We tried to just record random shots. He was using the drone, I was using a glide cam. I was just recording random shots. We used the same shots, same clips, and just rearranged them. You know, he used some that I didn't use, I used some that he didn't use, and made our own kind of B-roll sequence, kind of video, so we can portray our different styles.
So basically the rules of the game are as follows. We had about 15 minutes to get there and film. 5 of those minutes were setting up. So we had about 10 minutes to film. We used the same exact clips, we picked a song, and we used about a minute and a half, and we got to see each other's styles through this because we never worked separately, we've always worked together.
Yeah, I guess first you'll see his, and then second you'll see mine, and they'll play back to back, and then that'll be it. Bet.
Awake in my heart, the start of something that would go on way too long. Reminded of you with no searching. How could I not when I keep thinking of you? And it takes me back to another time. Takes me back now.
It's cold. I'm trying to get shots. My hands are shaking. We're just having a grand old time. Where'd he go? We out here trying to get these shots. It's cold as shit. My boy Iffy's over yonder. I can hear the drone. We're in some kind of park. I don't know exactly where we are. We've been here before. We tried to exercise. That shit don't work.
Awake in my heart, the start of something that would go on way too long. Reminded of you with no searching. How could I not
Hey buddy, what's up?
be back to another time? Takes me back now.
If you guys like this video, be sure to subscribe, like the video, comment. Be sure to follow us on Instagram as well to see the most up-to-date content. And catch you on the next one.